So guys, these are the ingredients for today's June plum splash. Alright guys, so the first step I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding my lime water into the blender. So in goes all of the June plum. I'm going to add a couple of the cucumbers, and I'm gonna add a couple of the ripe bananas, just a few there. I use a small one, and I'm going to be adding some of the ginger. I'm gonna have to be blending twice guys, so here we go. I'm just gonna speed up the process. Oh my god, it's gonna be great. So guys, here is the finished product. You know that presentation is everything, so I use the skin with the stem on it to garnish the drink, and I also put some lime slices and some cucumber slices as well. Could it come out also? Yeah, and I'm going to taste it to see what it's like. This is great. So there you have it guys. Thank you for coming through. I'm gonna ask you to continue to support me by liking this video. You can definitely share it with your family and friends, and definitely subscribe to this channel. I begin to